Make sure not fall down. Okay, that's it. Alright, welcome back to my channel, Ben Hawaii Vlog. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed my Raptor lights on my Toyota 2018 4Runner. And if you are new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Aloha. Okay guys, the tools unit is just a flat screw to remove all this plastic. Just put in like this and that. Then you can just take this out. Now guys, we will put now the lights onto the grill of the 2018 4Runner. There are 4 of them. Let's take out the plastic. Those are all snap-on, so it's easy to install. Yes, press it like that. Then went through already. Last one. Make sure not fall down. Okay, that's it. Okay guys, this is the wire we connect. 4 of them will just connect, will just snap onto the lights. Okay, the guys will, the 2 wires will go underneath. We'll just snap on. Like that. And the 2 lights here, and the last wire, and for the last light. Okay guys, and we'll put a zip tie on the wires. Okay guys, we'll put all the wires underneath.
behind me. So more need to look. Then you need electrical tape. That's where I insert the wire, guys. Then we'll fold it inside the wire. There, the wire, guys. Fold it out. Then put underneath this one, this cable behind that foot brake also. Okay, we need to take this out, screw. We'll put this one, guys, to the red one, and this one will go to the fuse box. We'll connect this one, red to red. We'll insert it until it clicks. Okay, connected already. That's good. Then we'll put now to the fuse box. Then that's it, guys. 10, 7.5, 7.5, 10. That's where we put it. And we'll hide all the wires behind the foot brake. Para hindi masagi ng pag nagpreno tayo. Okay, that's it, and we'll find out, we'll see it works, the light. Okay, that's how the wirings. I will hide it all, going inside to the fuse box, up to there, and we'll try it. Alright guys, that's it. As you can see, still on my light, my Raptor lights. Beautiful. Alright, thank you for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Aloha!